everyone, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is another pick a card reading. In today's reading, we will cover the topic messages and blessings coming your way for the week starting from 23rd to 29th August 2021. Like always, we have two powers here. This is pile A, which is a star, and this is pile B, which is the guitar. Viewers, you can also pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you're being drawn to. Incidentally, we also have the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, you can do just that. Before I proceed, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for your support in this journey. Those of you who picked pile A, which is a star right here, these are your messages for the week starting from 23rd to 29th August 2021. The first card in your reading, pile A, is the Three of Cups. This is a very light-hearted energy. Possibly, you are going to be socializing, you're meeting up with the friends and relatives, or there's going to be good food on the cards. I think you'll also be concerned about young people in your life, maybe your nieces and nephews or your children as well. Perhaps, pile A, you're also going to benefit on account of your acquaintances or your contacts, so you need to network a bit. You should also brush up your skills when it comes to the social media. The next card in this reading is the Queen of Wands. You're somebody who's quite attractive and who's exuding power. Besides, you're also very creative. I think this flaming energy is something which is asking you to move forward. At times, you're also somebody who's not going to brook any nonsense. You will put people in their place. At times, pile A, you may be thinking that you're at the receiving end for no rhyme or reason. Maybe there are also people who are backbiting, who are up to some kind of mischief, so you need to be on your guard with respect to that as well. Even if you feel let down, I think you need to seek divine intervention because your angels will listen to your prayers. Work-wise or professionally, I think you'll be able to complete a lot of tasks. Maybe your plans were being changed, or your boss was somebody who expected you to do last minute work, so this could have unnerved you a bit, but then you will do the needful. Maybe you're also reviewing the tasks at hand. Other than that, pile A, I'm also picking up that on account of your goodwill, opportunities are going to come your way. From the Angel Therapy deck, we have this card, Crown Chakra. I think messages are coming in, or you need to trust the ideas that you're receiving from the universe. Basically, you need to tap into the universe's collective wisdom. Maybe these messages are coming in the form of signs or visions or dreams. So you need to trust them as well. For some of you, it's also possible that there could be blockages, so you're not being able to think clearly. Maybe you should clear the blockages by using crystals like the amethyst. Your body is also going to undergo changes this week. Possibly some of you also maturing fast, or you're aging, or maybe you're also dealing with health issues here. I think pile A, you have options before you. Maybe you should incorporate an exercise program, improve on your diet. I think you should accept and embrace the changes. Sometimes we have body issues which could affect our relationship as well, but then pile A, I think you can take heart from the fact that you're coming across as someone who's quite attractive personality, because we have the Queen of Wands here, coming across as someone who's quite mesmerizing, enchanting, and you exude sexual energy as well. Incidentally, we have this card, Forsaken. So possibly, somebody is madly in love with you. Maybe this person feels that you're going to leave him in the cold. Possibly, this week you are going to be pursued. Maybe somebody is madly in love with you and is going to bombard you with messages. Love will definitely blossom this week. We did have the Three of Cups, which talks about light-hearted flirtation. So maybe on account of your social events, you're going to meet up with somebody. Even otherwise, I think dates could be planned with your romantic partner. I think this person also realized that he needs to be patient with you, or you could lose interest. Pile A, I think you're going to recognize that your heart is also going shalala when it comes to this person. You do realize that there's a deep connection, but then you may also be a bit hesitant because of family issues, or maybe you think that there are religious backgrounds are dissimilar, or your social backgrounds are dissimilar. For some of you, I'm also picking up that in case you're in an on-again, off-again relationship, You may feel as though you're the one who's making the effort. Maybe you want communication from this person. Even if there's communication, I think there's also a barrier which needs to be done away with. Your relationship could also be affected on account of infidelity. Like I said, your person may suspect that you could lose interest in him or her. Maybe he feels that you could abandon him like this leaf which has fallen off from the tree. It is left to itself. He feels that you could cast him aside. The next card in this reading is Neptune. Possibly, you're somebody who believes in magic and fairies and castles. It's alright to build castles in the air, but then you should also realize that you cannot live in an illusory world. You have to be very practical. Like I said, you could meet someone this week, so this person could also put you in a romantic frame of mind. It's good, Pile, to have those dreams and aspirations, but you should also be pragmatic, or you should have your feet firmly on the ground. Maybe this is not the time to start something new. Maybe it's time to leave that for another day. Sometimes, a certain fogginess may also cloud your judgment. So this is why it is necessary to leave important decisions for another day. The last card in this reading is Burst from Lenormand. Communication is going to be heightened this week. Or you could be negotiating, or there could be meetings lined up. Maybe because you're socializing, so you're going to be aware of gossip. Gossip could also surround your life. Or there may be people who are gossiping about you. Those who converse or those who chatter with you will chatter behind you as well. Basically, the throat chakra is going to be quite active, but communication will bring you gains. Like I said, you should also be active on the social media, or you should promote yourself. With respect to your health, I think you should focus on your blood pressure levels, your adrenals, or your throat chakra this week. All in all, Pile, this week promises reconnections. Besides, I think you will gain through your contacts. Pile, you liked your reading. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. Those of you who picked Pile B, which is the guitar right here, these are your messages, or these are the blessings that are coming into your life from 23rd to 29th August 2021. The first card in your reading, Pile B, is the King of Wands. Certainly you are going to exude power this week. Possibly, work-related recognition is also on the cards. I think you are in a position of strength here. In personal relationships also, I think it's the time to bury the hatchet and move on. Maybe you should seek forgiveness and ignore the disagreements with friends. For some of you, it's also possible that you could have issues with your mother here. The next card in this reading is the Page of Pentacles. I think minor gains are quite possible. Like I said, you are going to be in the spotlight. You will also benefit on account of your contacts. Maybe your client is going to introduce you to another person. In case you are an employee, I think you could be dealing with a superior who underestimates your talents. Maybe she feels that you're not good enough when it comes to financial matters, but then you're going to come good, or you're going to prove your mettle. Incidentally, there could be those days this week when you feel overworked. Maybe colleagues are absent, that is why you have to step in and take charge. I think it's frustrating at times to be saddled with so much work, but then you will be appreciated, or your output will be appreciated. Other than that, technical work or paperwork is also going to be something which is going to keep your hands full. Maybe you're also dealing with documents related to the stock exchange or mutual funds. So you need to be careful whom you're entrusting your financial transactions or your financial matters to. Maybe there'll be unnecessary hassles because you don't read the fine print. The next card in this reading is Singing and Dancing. Even if work is going to bog you down or keep you preoccupied, I think the need of the hour is also to relax and loosen up. Maybe your creative juices will flow if you're going to be relaxed or you're going to be in the mood. So certainly, Pile B, you need to balance work and play. Be creative this week. Earlier in this reading, we did talk about you being creative because of the Wands energy. So maybe it's not the time to plan rather than to move with the flow. The angels are also asking you to be true to you. I think you shouldn't stray from your beliefs and principles. In case you are struggling to make a decision, don't compromise on your vision or your ideals or your belief system. If you are truly happy with your decisions, then it will mean that you're going to make progress or headway at work. But in case if you're unhappy with the decisions that you're making, then I think you will feel a bit low. Your conscience could prick you. The next card in this reading is farewell, but I'm not good at goodbyes. Maybe you're somebody who's walking away from someone here in a relationship, that is, or in a romantic connection, but your soul doesn't want that. Perhaps there's some kind of tussle within you, whether to stay or whether to walk out of the door. For some of you, it's also possible that your lover could be feeling insecure. Maybe he or she thinks that you have other admirers, so you could even return to your former love. Interestingly, Pile B, it's also possible that someone who fancies you feels that you will not reciprocate. In case you're already romancing, I think date nights will be planned, but then be flexible in your approach because your respective schedules could also come in the way. Sometimes phone calls could also be infrequent, so you need to put up with all that. I think your person could also be concerned about your health this week, or health issues could bother your connection. The next card in this reading is Pluto, your ability to transform, take a big leap forward and rebirth. Like the phoenix here, which rises from the ashes, I think you're also somebody who is going to be surviving. That is definitely is on growth or rebirth. Life is in itself an evolutionary process and change is inevitable. You cannot possibly go back and think about what may have been. Rather, you should be somebody who makes the most of the possibilities that lies before you. Certainly, this is a time to reach for the stars with your imagination and confidence. This is the time for music in your life. In fact, you did pick up the guitar right here, so certainly if you want to move forward with the changes, then it could make you quite happy. The last card in this reading is Dog from Lenormand, which talks about somebody who's quite loyal and trustworthy. Perhaps Pile B, you're also in a romantic connection where you have been friends at first, so this person definitely sees you as someone who is going to stand by him when he or she is in a tight corner. Likewise, you can expect this person to do the same this week. Oftentimes, you will also be discussing your respective families. Maybe there are health issues which are affecting you, so this dog could also represent a medical professional here, or somebody around you could be dealing with ear or nose issues as well. All in all, Pile B, this week is going to be one which is going to transform your life in more ways than one. I hope, Pile B, you liked your reading. This is Star with Rihanna Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.